Well, ito kasi offshoot doon sa repurposing ng water rights ng NIA from irrigation into multipurpose. Ano po. Eh, nakita natin, of course, sa pagka-partner natin ang provincial government ng Cavite dito, lalong-lalo na po dito sa distribution ng domestic water. Alam natin, of course, as LGUs, ako bilang dati ring mayor, alam natin na isi-secure ng Cavite yung equitable distribution ng domestic water sa Cavite. So yun lang naman po ang purpose natin para mas maayos po yung procedure. Yung mandato natin sa irigasyon, yung pa rin uunahin natin talaga. Pero ayun, para rin matugunan yung pangangailangan po ng domestic water. Kasi marami pong nasasayang na tubig ng NIA. Mahigit yata 70% ang water rights sa buong Pilipinas ay nasa amin. Para makatulong na rin ito, lalo na sa programa ng ating Pangulo, na maiparating yung mas murang domestic water sa ating mga kababayan, affordable, tsaka mas madaming supply, tutulong po ang NIA dito. At of course, yung aming mandato na padadamihin pa yung ating mga irrigation facilities, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yun. At lalong makakatulong ito, kasi nga yung revenues na ma-generate namin dito ay makakatulong dito sa pagpapaganda ng aming serbisyo sa irrigasyon.
The agreement comes at the perfect time when the province is growing at its fastest rate. We are now at 4.5 million people with a developing scarcity of water. The agreement between the national government and the local government will ensure that growth is continuous and the growing Cavite is a growing Philippines. So this marks hopefully a template for other industrialized provinces and LGUs to follow in order to help us fuel the growth. Well, the province of Cavite and the national government are one in providing for the people. We are committed, we are ready, and we are excited to make things happen already.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.